Hi folks, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Surbhi, your fashion buddy and a proud NIFT alumni. In this video, we'll be sharing a comprehensive 6 months preparation strategy to help you crack the NIFT entrance exam with confidence and excellence. But before getting into the video, be sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for notification. So without any further ado, let's get into it. The first step is to set clear and achievable goals. Identify the NIFT program you want to pursue and understand its specific requirement. This will help you tailor your preparation accordingly. Additionally, set small milestones for each month to track your progress effectively. The second step is to research and gather appropriate study material for NIFT exam. There are numerous books, online resources and previous year question papers available. Invest time in understanding the exam pattern and syllabus thoroughly. Don't forget to refer to NIFT's official website for latest updates and notifications. The third step is to improve your creative skills for the creative ability test. Regular practice is the key. Engage in sketching, doodling, designing to enhance your creativity. Take inspiration from fashion magazines, nature and everyday objects. Join design workshop or art classes to hone your skills further. The fourth step is to strengthen your general awareness. The general ability test demands a strong grasp of general knowledge and current affairs. Stay updated with the latest happening in the fashion industry, world event and socio-economical developments. Read newspaper, watch documentaries and follow relevant websites to stay informed. The fifth stage is to practice and manage your time. Practice is the backbone of success in any competitive exam. Solve previous year question paper and take mock tests regularly. This will help you understand the exam pattern, improve your time management skills and build confidence. The sixth stage is to seek guidance and take mock tests. Reach out to experienced mentors, teachers or coaching centers specializing in NIFT preparation. They can provide valuable insight, feedbacks and tips to improve your performance. Consider practicing in mock tests to enhance your knowledge and preparation. The seventh step is to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Preparing for a competitive exam like NIFT can be demanding. Ensure you maintain a healthy lifestyle with regular exercise, balanced diet and sufficient sleep. A healthy body and a mind will boost your productivity and focus during preparation phase. The eighth and the last point is to remember the journey to crack NIFT may have its ups and downs. Stay positive, believe in yourself and remain persistent to your efforts. Keep yourself motivated and don't let the setbacks discourage you. With dedication, hard work, you can achieve your dreams. So that's all for today's video. We hope this comprehensive guide will help you chart your path towards success. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might be aspiring for NIFT. If you have any question or want to share your NIFT experience, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching and best of luck for your NIFT journey. Until we meet next time, stay creative, keep chasing your dreams. Bye.